Good morning dear students. Today we are going to see the continuation of the class data handling exercise 3.1. You need to write these two formulas. Mean equal to sum of all observations divided by number of observations, or you can write mean equal to sum of the terms divided by number of terms. Range equal to highest value minus lowest value. So next we are going to see the sum. Exercise 3.1, question number 1. Find the mean, arithmetic mean. Both it refers same meaning, children. Find the arithmetic mean also, you need to follow the method same. Find the mean also, you need to follow the method same. Mean, arithmetic mean. Find the mean of first 5 whole numbers. Actually you know that whole number starts from 0. So whole numbers, they are asking you first 5 whole numbers, right? So first 5 whole numbers. Solution, first 5 whole numbers equal to, whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 whole numbers are there. Now you need to find for this mean. So mean equal to sum of the terms divided by number of terms. Sum of the terms divided by number of terms. Sum of the terms means what the terms are coming, how many terms are coming. Those many terms you need to add. Sum, S-U-M, sum is called addition. So 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by how many number of terms are there. See first 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divided by 5. Now you need to count those numbers. What it is coming? 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 divided by 5. So when you are simplifying this, you will get the answer. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10. So the mean is 2. So the mean is 2. Okay, find the arithmetic mean of first 5 whole numbers. Now first 5 whole numbers, you know that it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. See first 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 numbers are there. So mean formula, we know that sum of the terms, sum of the observations, sum of all observations, whatever you can write. Sum of the terms divided by number of terms. So you need to sum, means you need to add the numbers and divided by how many number of terms. How many terms are coming, you need to divide by that. So when you are adding means you are getting the answer as 10. 10 divided by 5. So if you are simplifying means you are getting the answer 2. So the mean answer is 2. Okay. So next, second question. Same method. A cricketer in your book page number, it will be there in your book page number 63. Okay, 63 and 62. Both the page numbers will be available this exercise, children. A cricketer scores the following runs in 8 innings. In 8 innings, they gave the word that 8. Okay, see, a cricketer scores the following runs in 8 innings. Okay, in 8 innings, that is 58, 76, 40, 35, 46, 45, 0, 100. So each innings, how much he scores, they have shown. Find the mean score. Find the mean. The mean, another name is average. Find the average score of the cricketer. Okay, find the average also they can ask. The other name of mean is average. So solution given. 8 innings, how much he scored? 58, 76, 40, 35, 46, 45, 0 and 100. These are all he scores in 8 innings. 8 innings scores is this. So now you need to find for this mean. Mean it's called average. Average, mean both also is the same meaning. Okay. So mean equal to same sum of the terms divided by number of terms. What is the average of this? Also same method children. Average, mean, arithmetic mean, all the three word also same. Now sum of the terms, you need to add the terms. 58 plus 76 plus 40 plus 35 plus 46 plus 45 plus 0 plus 100 divided by number of terms. They themselves gave, see, 8 innings, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So divided by 8. 8 terms are there. So when you are adding this, okay, when you are simplifying, when you are doing the addition, for this means you are getting the answer as 400. You can check this in refer work. Okay, refer it in rough work. Sorry children, you can check this in rough work. Okay, and check. Do and check it. 400 you will get. 400 divided by 8. 400 divided by 8. So 400 divided by 8. Simplify this. 1 8 is 8. How many 8s are 40? 5 8s are 40. 0. So the answer is 50. So arithmetic mean is 50. Okay, find the mean score. The cricketer scores the following runs in 8 innings. So they gave the inning scores. First inning 58, second inning 76, like that they gave up to 8 innings. So for this you need to find the average. So you need to add all the innings runs and divided by the total number divided by 8. So when you are simplifying, you will get the answer as 50. Okay, find the mean score. So mean score is 50. Next question. Question number 3. The enrollment in a school during 6 consecutive years was as follows: 1555, 1670, 1750, 2013, 2540, 2820. Find the mean enrollment of the school for this period. Same, mean enrollment. Find the average. Okay, find the average or mean enrollment, both also correct. Okay, so now solution. First, given years, given 6 consecutive years you write. Given years are, write that what it has given, write as it is. 1555, 1670, 1750, 2013, 2540, 2820. Now you need to find for this mean enrollment. So mean you should find. Mean equal to sum of the terms divided by number of terms. Sum of the terms, all the terms you add. 1555, 1670 plus 1750 plus 2013 plus 2540 plus 2820. Okay, divided by total number of terms. They gave you in question C 6. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 6. So kindly do it in rough work side and do the addition. Okay, if you are doing the addition means you will get the answer 12,348. 12,348. You need to divide this in 6th table. If you are dividing this in 6th table means 1 6 is 6, 2 6 are 12. 3, it is not divisible by 6, so put 0 here, then take 2 digit, 34. 34. 5 6 are 30. Remaining 4. Remainder is 4. So 34. 34 minus 30, remainder 4, it becomes 48. 8 6 are 48. So the answer is 2058. So mean enrollment is 2058. Okay. Copy this in your class note neatly, children. Write neatly. Questions you copy in black pen. Answer do it in blue pen. Simplification it should be done in only pencil. Answers must put a box. That also should be in pencil only. Okay. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. Remaining things we'll see in tomorrow's class. Thank you.